Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we're gonna get into my winter Margot Elena, so let's check it out. If you are new to Margot Elena, see how pretty she is already, is a $59.95 box plus I pay $6.95 shipping, and I think shipping might cost depending on where you live. But for me, it is $59.95 plus $6.95 shipping. So it's a pricey one. They say you will have $200 or more in merch. But with Margot Elena, it's like a real store. It's not a place that gathers product from other places at discounts. They have their own Margot Elena store. I will put the link below if you want to go over and check it out. I'm in no way affiliated with them. I just love them. I started receiving these years ago, and what caught my eye, frankly, it's the whole, you're standing at the grocery store at the end of the aisle and you see something pretty or what. It was the pretty that caught my eye. I was watching Subbox Lover and I said, oh, I have to try that. And then once you get it, it has the nicest scents and I love the quality of the product. Margot Elena is a perfumer, an international perfumer. So it's hand lotions and bath products and perfumes. Plus there's usually a couple lifestyle type products in it. And it's just always the prettiest, nicest box. So when we get into it, I can't believe I didn't have this for the holidays. I probably would have found gifts in here, but this is the 21st box. I should look back. If I can look back and find easily, I'll let you know here what the first box I got was, but I have been receiving this for a long time. We get a little, let's just say, card that just says Light and Wonder on the front. It opens up, tells us just a little bit about the products that are inside, usually just technically what they are and how much they're worth. Right on top, we have a Margot Elena tote bag. That is so pretty. It says Beauty Within. The back, I thought they were appliqued. I think they are just, it's outlined. The seam is actually a raised seam, but I don't think that it's an applique. I think that that is a solid piece of fabric and then they outlined it, but it's so pretty. And we have the Margot Elena tag. It has two, oh, it's a nice drop on the handles. I would argue you could probably get that on your arm. I love the size of this. Usually when we get tote bags, they're all huge. I love the size of this one. It's like perfect magazine, iPad, that kind of size. It had a big tag tucked on the inside. And it says, Made with Love, Margot Elena. From me to you. How perfect with, good I didn't open this before Christmas, because I just know I would have given it to somebody, because you could have filled this up with goodies. And now it's from me to me. Okay, the paperwork says that that is the Beauty Within tote bag and it has a $22 value. Our overall value in this box is going to be $202.50, so it meets their promised $200 threshold, and they are almost always right there within just a few dollars. And the paperwork says, time to shine. Among the flurry of exuberant evenings and joyful celebrations the holiday season brings, it's important to find quiet moments of comfort. To help refresh your spirits, we gathered a few of our favorite Margot Elena treasures, perfect to give and even better to keep. Each delight is designed to spread love, cheer, and self-care this season. Next, I see sticking out of the top, I could see this. I Am Fearless. I think it's probably going to be a hand lotion. It is from the new Infinite She line. Margot Elena has Margot Elena branded things, and they also have Lalia, Tokyo Milk, Cottage Greenhouse. They have this new Infinite She line. The Infinite She tends to be less floral. Most of the Margot Elena, this is the point at which I usually say, if you don't love florals, this is probably not the best box for you, because this line tends to be very floral. This is called Fearless, by the way. But this new Infinite She line within Margot Elena tends to be less floral. Now that I've said that, I am reading the bottom of this. This is a hand cream, and the bottom says Wild Geranium Rosewood, so it may smell floral. Treat your skin to the lush smoothing power of shea and mango butters designed to deeply hydrate and nourish hands ready to tackle anything. Sublimely scented with botanicals of wild geranium and rosewood, inspiring boldness and determination, this baby packs a punch. See how lovely the box is that it comes in, and it's just, I love the way she does all of this. Oh my goodness. I like to think that I did this. If you've been watching me do these unboxings, you know. They send the metal ones with the metal tops. Look, our cap finally has one of the pointy things. Can you guys see? It's one of the, so you can just and we're right into it. I have been saying in every single one of these boxes that I have unboxed for the last couple of years, please, Margot Elena, if you hear us, please give us the... I think I did it. Probably not me, but that's what we're gonna think, right? Okay, that was so easy, and now we're in it, and I didn't have to stick anything weird down in there. So it's a nice thick hand cream, and wow, is anybody else having really dry hands this winter? For the last couple of years, we washed so much that I completely understood why my hands were out of control dry, but I don't feel like I'm over washing as much. Oh, that is nice. It absorbed really quickly. I'm gonna put more on. I almost missed the scent of it, which I think is a good thing when it's more subtle, because then it isn't an interrupter of whatever you have on for scents. That is so subtle. Yes, it's a little floral. It is more clean than floral, and it just absorbs so quickly. I love her hand creams. I have the hand cream, and it is the Ultra Lush hand cream from Infinite She. It has a $22 value. Next, we start in with everything. Let me show you this. Now that I've done smooth the top thing, everything is wrapped individually, so it looks like little presents. Well, it doesn't look like little presents. It is little presents. Oh my goodness. How gorgeous is this? This is a perfume. Can you see the number 9 on it? She numbers most of her perfumes. This is a Lalia. I can't read the bottom. It's in clear, so I can't read what it says. That is so, it's such a different, oh, it says on the front, classic petal. This is such a different design for her. I love this. The paperwork says that this is the Lalia In Love Eau de Perfume, $68. Well, this is classic petal. So I don't know if it's both classic petal and in love. I don't know. I think it's classic petal. So it is still a spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the paperwork for the first time out. Oh wow, did you see how easily that sprayed? Oh my goodness, that is lovely. Very fresh. I would say very spring, very, very floral. It's almost got, have you ever tried the gingerbread man from Philosophy? And they say it's not really gonna taste like a gingerbread cookie. You're really gonna get more of the ginger, like a ginger ale fizzy smell to it. That's what this is. It's floral, but it smells a little fizzy, fresh. I am so good at describing fragrances, guys. I tell you what I'll do. I'll let you know right here what they say the notes are on the Classic Petal number 9 from Lalia. It is lovely. That has fragranced my entire room just magically. Okay, next out. This is the Tokyo Milk Pure Decadence Salt Soak Golden Hour number 32. But look at the tin that it's in. How gorgeous is that? So gorgeous. And that's before we even address how lovely it's gonna smell. When we open it up, we have our little bag of salt soak. I love that this came in the tin. In theory, you could decant it if you want. I probably won't decant it so I don't end up with salt all down in it, because I might find it's a nice little hinged box. Wouldn't it be fun to find something to do with that? You could put like little cotton balls on it and set it on your vanity. Oh, that smells good. That is fresh. Kind of smells like a floral margarita. Don't you love these trips down fragrance lane with me? What did I say that it was? It is lovely. Golden hour. See, like it's 5 o'clock somewhere, golden hour. I'll let you know here again if they tell us what the notes are. But it is, I would love to soak in that. That smells amazing. Our next little present out, oh, is a candle. Tokyo Milk Dark. I love this. I think I have the dark in a perfume. This is Eclipse, and it's number 99. 99? 99? Who's that old? Let me know. Oh, that smells good. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I'm telling you what, it smells, the best way to describe this is, to me, it smells like a men's cologne. I mean, I would burn it in my house, absolutely. But it doesn't have like a lady's floral to it, or you wouldn't say fresh and clean. You smell it and you think, well, not Drakkar Noir. I mean, it's not, well, I mean, it is kind of heavy like that. That smells good. I like that. It says black anise, mint leaf, smoked amber, and gardenia. Yeah, I get no hints of anything as light as gardenia, but it smells lovely. And they say it has a $20 value. Next out, we have our cards. Generally, each season we get a 3-pack of cards, and I love receiving them. I love having cards around so that if something comes up, I'm just ready to go. We have, they're from Infinite She. Interesting. They're usually branded Margot Elena? I think so. This is 2023. Happy New Year. That is fantastic. I'm going to take that downstairs right away and decide who I need to send a note to that I have put off too long writing a note to. We have one that says, "Aw, slay all day." I wish I'd used that at the holidays, but you know what? They'll come again next year. That is so cute. I wish I'd opened this sooner. And this one says sparkle and shine. So that is another good one for the new year. But you know what? Honestly, sparkle and shine, you could say that easily for a birthday because they are empty on the inside, so you can write whatever you want. So fantastic. I like these. We usually get the ones that have funny little almost Victorian or some sort of period picture on the front that they've added glitter to, and then they put something really cute around it. I like the more modern approach of these. I think that more people would be attracted to these than the other ones. And those have a $16.50 value. Okay, next out, our next little present. It says Lalia Sugar Pastille Dusting Powder. Look how beautiful that is. I hope you guys can tell there are little bees all over it. It is so cute. Let's read about it. I do enjoy a body dusting powder, but I don't use them if they have talc in them. So it just puffed all over everything. Let's read about it. Why ever would I even think of considering that Lalia would put talc in this? Of course they did not. It is cornstarch based and there is no talc in it. So when we take the lid off, oh look, so it's a little puff, and even the side of the box on the inside is lovely. Oh, it's just a very light scent, very fresh and clean, and you can dust up a little with it. That is so stinking cute. I love that. And it is in the scent Wish. Let me show you the top of that again. It just looks so pretty. This has a $22 value. All right, last out. What do we have? Our last gift. This feels familiar. It is a hand sanitizer. You know what? I am not sad about that. This is the Library of Flowers hand sanitizer in citrus and garden, and it is 70% alcohol. That is what it looks like. During the worst of it, I carried one this size. Bear in mind, I carry a huge purse, but I carried one this size in my purse just because I was using it so much. This says assorted hand sanitizers, and it has a $14 value. Put a little on my hand. We're gonna see, I'm only gonna put a little bit on. I'm gonna take a little bit of that off because I'm just gonna use a little bit. We're gonna see if they've managed to make it smell good. You can't do the initial hit because 70% alcohol. It's gonna smell like alcohol. But let's see if it smells us. Smells us. Hope it doesn't smell us. Let's see if it leaves us smelling good. Oh, it's lemony. Oh, it is very lemony fresh. See, if everybody can do this, if all hand sanitizers can do this, why don't they? That smells so lemony nice, and it's 70% alcohol. Yeah, that is awesome. That will absolutely get used. Okay, that was our winter Margot Elena. On one hand, I wish I had opened it earlier because I could share it, but on the other selfish hand, I'm kind of glad that I got past Christmas because now I've kept it all for myself because we got the lovely, gorgeous dusting powder, the salt soak that came in this gorgeous tin, our 3 cards. Okay, this is the one thing I definitely could have used pre-holiday, but we've got a nice New Year's card and a birthday card, or New Year's, or you know, sparkle and shine. It could be a thank you note. It can be whatever you want it to be. The Tokyo Milk Dark Candle, the Infinite She hand cream that has the little pokey to get it open now that I single-handedly made happen. Okay, slight exaggeration, but you know, I'll take credit. This gorgeous perfume from Lalia. Like I said, I've let you know the notes, but it's just fizzy and fresh yet floral. Loved it. And this tote bag is beautiful. It is just such a sweet size. I cart things from here to my mom's and back quite often. This is a lovely little size. Like when I have things in boxes for her and stuff, this will be perfect. Oh, and I almost forgot our hand sanitizer that I set over there out of the way. Wow, so I just tucked that back in my box as I was showing it to you guys. And I have to tell you, I don't often pull this off, but let me go ahead and show you how pretty that is. That looks so pretty. That is such a fun full box. It is not one of the less expensive boxes. It is $59.95 plus shipping, but you're getting more than $200 in merchandise, and I love it so much. Not at all affiliated. I will put a link down below just to make it easy for you guys, but if you want to go over and check it out, thank you so much for coming by. I hope you had a beautiful holiday season. I hope as we go into New Year's, you have a very happy New Year, and I'll see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos. Take care, guys. Bye.